Just got back from a yard sale. Look what I bought for 20 bucks. Oh. 1950s David Bradley train saw. It's a 360. Oh, God, it's heavy. The manliness just radiating off this thing is intense. Beautiful. It's a little rusty and it's a little stuck. Bought it from like a 90-year-old man. So yeah, right now we're gonna take it apart and see what's going on with it. But my experience, these old things shouldn't take too much to get it working again. And yeah, it'll be a fun little restoration project. Cool. If anyone knows anything about these, let me know. I don't know too much about chainsaws, but I do know two-stroke engines. Stuck. That's okay. We'll pull the cylinder off and see what we got to work with. So some incredible news on this thing. I took the starter off and I turned the motor backwards and it broke free. So I guess it wasn't seized, it just had some rust on the piston. So now it sounds great, and if you look right here, it's got spark, which is amazing. So carb clean, we might actually be able to get this thing to fire up today. Now I got to rebuild that clutch so the blade will turn around. How good you can see this, but I got the clutch taken apart. Well, not the clutch, but the whatever that is. And got freed up. Just need some oil. The bearings are a little sticky. But it works good now. So, I'll put this back together and we'll get to try and cut something. Works pretty good. I think I got just the high-speed needle.